Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, plus 1/4 cup of tahini. Also, have 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of water ready. These simple components are the foundation for delicious, creamy hummus. Now let's blend everything together. Add the prepared chickpeas, tahini, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, and salt into your food processor. Begin processing, and as it blends, slowly drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. This helps achieve that wonderfully smooth and creamy texture we're looking for. Keep blending until it's perfectly consistent. After blending, it's time for the crucial taste test. Sample your hummus and don't hesitate to adjust the seasonings. You might want a bit more lemon juice for extra tang, or a pinch more salt to bring out the flavors. Some people also enjoy a small dash of ground cumin for an added layer of warmth. Adjust until it's perfect for your palate. Your homemade hummus is now ready to be enjoyed. Spoon it into a nice serving bowl. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle about 1 tablespoon of good quality olive oil over the top. A sprinkle of paprika or some fresh chopped parsley makes a lovely garnish. Serve it with warm pita bread, crisp vegetables, or your favorite crackers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.